Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to generate a QR code directly in Excel using a simple add-in. Let's get started. First, head over to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. You'll find the Get Add-ins option in the Add-ins group. Go ahead and click that. In the Add-ins store, search for a QR code generator. I recommend QR for Office, which works great for this. Once you find it, click Add to install it to your Excel. Now that the add-in is installed, open the QR code generator. You'll see a field where you can enter whatever you want to encode, maybe a website URL, some text, or contact information. Here's where you can make it your own. Adjust the color scheme, change the background, and set the size and format to match your needs. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click Insert to place your QR code right into your spreadsheet. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create custom QR codes in Excel whenever you need them. Feel free to run through this again if you need a refresher.